Welcome back to Gilmour Racing. I'm Matt from KCK Lubricants and we're back in the workshop again today. Last video we did, we were getting ready for Sydney. We were loading and finished repairing some of our damage after our wheel failure. And I thought we should give you a rundown on how we went in Sydney. And all up, very successful weekend. The driver, well, he walked away with a trophy. And any time that happens, that's a good weekend. We had zero mechanical issues, no problems at all with the car. A few minor setup changes during the course of the weekend, which is completely normal. But what we were really able to do was focusing on developing the driver. And whether we had a new driver that hadn't driven with us before, or a seasoned driver like Roman who's driven internationally, we can work with him within the team. We've got really good data engineers and a lot of experience, and we can focus our energies on working on the finer points of his car craft and his racecraft, and really getting the most out of him and allowing him to get the most out of the car. When we were loading last time, we were waiting for wheels and hoping that we were going to get them. Naturally, they turned up the day after we left, but we've got the new wheels for the next race meeting. We've prepped the car for Morgan Park. Morgan Park was a no-show due to COVID restrictions. We missed that race meeting. However, we're going to do a test in the next couple of days, and then we'll re-prep the car for Winton. So I'll do a video in it, give you a rundown on the changes between the tracks and what we'll need to do to get it ready for Winton. Sydney, like I said, very little damage. Nothing went wrong with the car. Little bit of standard wear under the car, which is normal. As far as prep goes for our test, we've already set it up for Morgan Park. We're going to go test at Morgan Park, so there's nothing to do. We'll load the car up, we'll get it ready, we'll get out the track, and we'll just hone the skills, get the processes right, get Roman back in the car, make sure everything's sweet before we make the big trip to Winton. But I'll do another video, we'll cover that off soon. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Really need you to subscribe. Stay up to date with what's going on. New videos every week. There's always something new. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.